It's hard to remember how it felt before. Now I found the love of my life. Past these things get more comfortable. Everything is going right. And after all the obstacles, it's good to see you now with someone else. And it's such a miracle that you and me are still good friends after all that we've been through. I know we're cool. I know we're cool. And we still think it was impossible. Now you call me by my new last name. Memories seem like so long ago. Time always kills the pain. Remember Harper Boulevard, the dreaming days where the mess was made. Look how the kids have grown up. We have changed, but we're still the same. After all that we've been through, I know we're cool. I know we're cool. Yeah, I know we're cool. And I'll be happy for you if you can be happy for me. Circles and triangles, and now we're hanging out with your new girlfriend. So far from where we've been, I know we're cool. I know we're cool. Cool. I know we're cool. I know we're cool. Cool. Yeah, I know we're cool.
Anyone who ever held you would tell you the way I'm feeling. Anyone who ever wanted you try to tell you what I feel inside. The only thing I ever wanted was the feeling that you ain't faking. The only one you ever thought about. Wait a minute, can't you see that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms? I He's explaining the way I'm feeling for all the jealousy I caused you. The snake's the reason why I'm trying to hide. As for all the things you taught me, it sends my future into clearer dimensions. You'll never know how much you hurt me. Stay a minute, can't you see that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms? I feel ya, I hope you comprehend. Too many hearts are broken. A lover's promise never came with a maybe. So many words are left unspoken. The silent voices are driving me crazy. After all the pain you caused